So, I found out my boyfriend cheated on me. So, nagpaalam siya, maglalaro lang daw siya ng paddle. So, ako naman to, so, sure, go. Tiwala naman ako, tagal natin, naglalaro din naman ako ng paddle, diba? So, I have work that day, yesterday. And half day lang naman. So, I decided, why not sunduin ko na lang siya after kong ihatid yung mga dogs sa pet grooming salon. So, okay. As a nice girlfriend ba? And then, on my way back, I passed Fat Seed. So, Fat Seed is beside the grooming salon. I saw a figure, like, so familiar. And then, look again. It was him. With Mia. So, ako naman to. Thinking, baka nakalimutan niya lang sa aking sabihin na may meeting siya. And, baka nakalimutan niya ilagay sa calendar namin. Kasi, you know, we shared calendar. So, problema. They were so close. They were laughing, leaning at each other, cuddly. Parang, hindi na to meeting. Baka nakakalimutan mo may girlfriend ka. So, sobrang inis ko, sobrang galit ko. Gusto ko na talagang suguran, i-confront sila. Pero sabi ko, no. This is a public place. Huwag ka mag-eskandalo dito. I decided to just walk past them, hoping na makita niya ako. And then he saw me. He saw me shocked. Na parang, what are you doing here? So, sobrang, talagang, muntik na akong hindi makapagpigil. Pero sabi ko, no, calm down. Just ignore him now. And, inisip ko lang, he's a stranger. So, I went straight to the parking lot, then umuwi na ako. Then, pag uwi niya, he said, love, that's not what you think. We're just friends. Friends, tapos sobrang dikit ninyo. Alam mo, ayoko na siyang pakinggan. I don't wanna listen sa mga excuses niya, sa mga, ano niya. Kasi alam ko naman kasinungalingan lang diba? So, thinking about it, I just cried the whole night. Hanggang sa nag-pass out na lang ako sa sobrang pagod. And then the next day, it was all a dream. No Mia, no Fat Seed, wala siyang kasama, no merienda, hindi siya nag-paddle kahapon. So what the fuck?